And it's now time for the business day. There's a major shift in Jamaica's energy landscape. U.S. energy company Excelerate has officially acquired the operations of New Fortress Energy in Jamaica. The acquisition includes the Montego Bay and Old Harbour LNG terminals, as well as the Clarendon combined heat and power plant. Excelerate's CEO Stephen Koba says the move aligns with the company's global growth strategy and brings long-term financial value. He says the acquisition supports their mission of delivering cleaner and more affordable energy solutions. Motorists will face increases in petrol prices effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will be increased by $3.06. Automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also be increased by $3.06. Kerosene will cost $3.06 more, and the cost of propane will, however, decrease by 54 cents, and butane will lose $1.33. To the stock market now, or no, we'll go to the dollar. Okay, back to the stock market. The JSE index declined by 2,481 points today, while the junior market index declined by 49 points. The winners include ISP Finance Services, Epley Limited 7.25% preference shares, Key Insurance Company, Berger Paints Jamaica, and Jetcon Corporation. The losers include Knutsford Express Services, Edufocal, Express Catering, Elite Diagnostic, and Sterling Investments US dollar shares. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.64. The Canadian dollar is being sold for an average $113.68. The pound is going for $212.16, while the euro is selling for an average $178.48. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.